Understanding pipe diameter, an essential English term. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be exploring a very specific but important term, pipe diameter. This phrase is commonly used in contexts related to plumbing, construction, and various engineering fields. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used. Pipe diameter refers to the width of a pipe. It's important to note that when we talk about the diameter of a pipe, we are usually referring to its internal width. This measurement is critical in determining the flow capacity of the pipe. The diameter can be measured in various units, like inches or centimeters, depending on the context. In fields like plumbing, construction, and engineering, knowing the diameter of a pipe is crucial. For instance, in plumbing, the diameter determines how much water can flow through the pipe. In construction, it's important for ensuring that the right pipes are used for specific purposes. Engineers need to know the diameter to calculate flow rates and pressure requirements. Let's look at some examples to understand better. Imagine you're installing a new shower. The diameter of the pipes will determine how strong the water flow is. In a city's water supply system, large diameter pipes are used to deliver water to different parts of the city. A common mistake is confusing diameter with circumference. Remember, the diameter is a straight line passing from side to side through the center of a pipe, while the circumference is the distance around it. Understanding pipe diameter is not just about learning a new phrase. It's about grasping a concept that has practical applications in everyday life. We hope this video has been enlightening and useful for your English language journey. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.